Hey guys, welcome to the wonderful world of transfer foils. We are going to transfer a full wrap on a tumbler. I have base coated the tumbler in an off-white color, which is one of the recommended shades to go under this gorgeous foil that is referred to as Andressa. And Andressa is a transparent foil. So the lighter the base coat, the better, because you'll be able to see all the beautiful detail of the design. So as I'm scrubbing this, I'm using a nail brush, which is plastic bristles. Try to find the stiffest one you can, and also what we call a burnishing pad. As you start to release the foil, if you see any little bits and pieces that have not completely transferred, just lay the carrier sheet back down and scrub again. You should be able to get close to about 100% release with this particular foil. As you can see on the seam, I had to overlap where it just did not match up perfect on that one far end, and scrubbed again with a darker piece of the foil and got a full transfer. So now we've got the bottom. You can actually pick whichever part of the design you want to see as the feature part of the bottom. Again, scrub, 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 you guys. And then you're going to get a really great release.